Dear Diary, I want to tell you about someone I met today. Her name is Sonia, and she is really cool. Sonia has long, wavy brown hair. She wears glasses, and they make her look really smart. She has big brown eyes that always seem to be smiling, even when she isn't talking. Sonia is not very tall, but she walks with a lot of confidence. What I like most about Sonia is her personality. She is so friendly and kind. She always helps people when they need something. Today, she helped a boy in our class who dropped all his books. Sonia also has a great sense of humor. She told a joke during lunch and everyone laughed. I think she makes people feel happy just by being around them. I hope we can become good friends. She seems like the kind of person who would always have your back. That's all for now. Mia.